Terraform is an open-source infrastructure as code tool used to define and manage cloud infrastructure, including AWS resources. Using Terraform with AWS allows you to automate the creation, configuration, and management of AWS resources. Here's how to get started. Install Terraform. Download and install Terraform from the official website. Set up AWS provider. Configure the AWS provider in your Terraform configuration file. You will need to specify your AWS credentials or use an AWS profile. Define infrastructure. Create resources by defining modules in your Terraform script. For example, to create an EC2 instance. Initialize Terraform. Initialize Terraform in your project directory to download necessary providers. Plan and apply changes. After initialization, create an execution plan to preview the changes. Once approved, apply the plan to create or modify AWS resources. Manage infrastructure. Modify your Terraform configuration as needed, then rerun Terraform apply to update resources. State management. Terraform maintains a state file that keeps track of your resources. Use Terraform state commands to inspect or manage it. Version control and collaboration. Store Terraform configurations in version control systems like Git to manage changes over time.